Based in Columbus, Ohio, Abitec makes ingredients used in the pharmaceutical, nutritional, and specialty chemical industries. Specifically, the company manufactures functional lipids, products used in everything from making sure CBD stays evenly mixed in beverages to those used in suppositories to make sure they melt appropriately. The company operates a pair of manufacturing sites, a factory in Paris, Illinois that specializes in flaking, blending, and spray chilling, and another in Janesville, Wisconsin that does esterification, surfactants, and specialty blending. But the plant in Janesville is old. It dates back to 1907, and Abitec is looking to modernize. The details of Abitec's expansion project are rather unique. The company wants to erect a new, quote, building shell over its existing manufacturing facility, after which the existing building shell will be removed. The new shell will be approximately 1,900 square feet larger than the existing facility, and according to a memo from the Janesville Planning Division, the company has requested a conditional use permit amendment for the expansion. The company needs a conditional use permit amendment due to zoning restrictions, which requires Plan Commission approval. A public hearing is set for May 5th, 2025. According to a local report, city planner Trey Mayer says he's never seen an industrial expansion where a new outer wall is built over an existing factory. He says Abitec simply wants to continue manufacturing operations during construction. IEN reached out to the company and the planning division for additional project details, but they did not respond to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.